Hello everybody, I'm Hippo Tom, and today I'm going to teach you how to 3D print things, alright? That's what I'm going to do. Yeah. But since it's Father's Day, I wanted to do something Father's Day-like. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I already have this thing here. If you don't know how to do that, I started with a block, and then I transformed it into this. Okay. But now, I'm gonna get some text. See that? See it? It's cool, right? There.